Hello everyone. So this is the session number 12 of Food Safety and Quality Assurance, and topic which we'll be covering today are Food and Agriculture Organization. So the Food and Agriculture Organizations of the United Nations is a center of information of knowledge for the food and agriculture commodities. It raised level of nutrition and standards of living. It improved agricultural productivity and better the conditions of rural population and contribute to the expansion of the world's economy. The Food and Agriculture Organization, what it is and what it does. Information: the FAO collects, analyzes, interprets and disseminates information. It advises. The Food and Agriculture Organization provides independent advice on agricultural policy and planning. The Neutral Forum: the Food and Agriculture Organization offers a neutral forum for discussion and formulation of policy, negotiation of agreements, and establishment of standards. Development assistance: the FAO provides practical help to developing countries through technical assistance. So, what is the FAO's role? The FAO highlights information as one of the priority areas in achieving agricultural development and food security. So, how to reach this information? So, by the FAO's website and the different market opportunities, farmers, support service, and policy makers can know about the advantages of FAO. So, this is the FAO's website. So, in which everything related to the newsroom, that is the recent projects and the recent changes being made, is being exhibited. So this is the website of FAO, that is the www.fao.org. The FAO website contains approximately 50,000 web pages, over 100 databases, and thousands of documents. So also it is in different sectors such as animal production and health, economics and policy, education, extension, forestry, government administration, legislation, and information management. So what is WICENT? That is World Agricultural Information Center, is one of the priority areas in achieving agricultural development and food security, a corporate framework and platform or agricultural information management and dissemination. So what is the objectives of WICENT? For enhancement and access to timely and relevant technical information by FAO, member nations and the general public. For encouragement of FAO member nation to utilize information as a key for development. So consolidating more than 40 separate databases under the umbrella of WICENT. So FAO Stat is a FAO statistical database, is an online and multilingual database currently containing over 300 million time series records covering international statistics in the following areas such as production, trade, food balance sheets, producer prices, forestry trade flow, land use and irrigation, forest products, fishery products, population, codex alimentarius, foods, quality control, fertilizers and pesticides, agricultural machinery, food and aid shipments and exports by destination. So FAO Stat, that is a Food and Agriculture Organization statistical database, is a multilingual online database currently containing more than 1 million time series records of international statistics for more than 210 countries in the areas of agriculture. So the following areas of agriculture, for fishery, forestry and nutrition are consulted into the FAO Stat. So this is the information access control, that is an online library into the FAO. The library was established in Rome in 1952. It is considered one of the world's finest collections in food, agriculture, and international development. The online site allows you to search its extensive catalog and FAO database, as well as providing links for both FAO and other institutional electronic journals and other sites of interest. The contents are agriculture, food and nutrition, rural development, plant production and protection, animal production and health, agricultural machinery, agro industries, agroforestry, statistics and agricultural economics. So specialized information system, that is global information on early warning system. For it is a weather forecast. It is a weather forecast about the food industry. To keep the world food supply situation under continuous review, issue reviews on the world food situation, and provide early warning of impending food crisis in individual countries. The food outlooks, food crops and shortages, Africa reports, Sahel reports, special reports and alerts, and others. The information analysis, that is crop monitoring at national level and global level, that is report publication and alerts, report dissemination, communication, free access to database and tools to allow viewers to develop their own information, participation, exchange information, supply and updated information. So this is another venture of the FAO, that is Emergency Prevention System for Transboundary Animals and Plants, Pests and Diseases. So agricultural pests and diseases often migrate or spread across borders and cause major losses and emergencies. In the past, such damage has on occasion been catastrophic, leading to famine and sometimes triggering trade restrictions. So, what is EMPRESS? It is Emergency Prevention System, a special focus program of FAO to help countries fight agricultural pests and diseases which migrate or spread across borders and cause major losses and emergencies leading to famine and trade restrictions. The FIVIMS is a Food Insecurity and Vulnerability Information Mapping System. The information about food insecure and vulnerable people is lacking in many countries. At an international level, FIVIMS implements diverse activities in support of national information system for them to become part of the international information exchange network. At a country level, FIVIMS works with a network of information systems that gather and analyze relevant national and subnational data that measure food insecurity and vulnerability. The FAO country profiles and mapping information system is another such development. Thank you.